The holiday season is one of the busiest times of the year for travel. Between packed airports, delayed flights, and crowded roads, it's easy to let stress sneak into what should be a joyful time. But with a little planning and a few helpful tips, you can make your holiday journey smoother and more enjoyable. First things first. Start planning as early as possible. Popular travel days like the Friday before Christmas or the day after New Year's are notoriously busy. So consider traveling a day or two earlier or later to avoid peak crowds. Flexibility with your travel dates can not only save you stress, but potentially money too. Use tools like fare comparison sites or apps to monitor price changes and book when you find a good deal. However, don't wait too long. Prices tend to climb the closer you get to the holidays. Packing can make or break your holiday travel experience. Keep it simple by sticking to a packing list and focusing on versatile clothing. Don't forget to leave a little extra room in your suitcase for any gifts or souvenirs you pick up along the way. Speaking of gifts, if you're flying, it's best to leave them unwrapped to avoid issues during security checks. You can always wrap them when you arrive at your destination. Crowds are inevitable during the holidays, so prepare for longer wait times at security ticket counters and even restaurants. Arrive at the airport earlier than usual and keep a positive mindset. After all, everyone is just trying to reach their loved ones, just like you. Pack your patience and bring things to keep you entertained during delays, like a good book downloaded shows, or even a travel journal to pass the time. With so many people in one place, airports and trains can be hotspots for germs. Pack a small hygiene kit with essentials like hand sanitizer, disinfectant wipes, and a face mask if you're traveling in crowded spaces. It's also a good idea to stay hydrated and snack smart. Long journeys can leave you feeling run down, but a reusable water bottle and some healthy snacks can help you stay energized. Technology can be your best friend during holiday travel. Download your airline's app to stay updated on gate changes or delays, and consider apps like Google Maps or Waze for real-time traffic updates if you're driving. Digital boarding passes and mobile check-ins save you time and reduce the hassle of fumbling with papers. Plus, setting up travel alerts can help you stay ahead of any last-minute changes. Whether you're driving or flying, don't forget to take breaks. On road trips, stop at scenic rest areas to stretch your legs and enjoy the journey. At airports, use your layover time to walk around or find a quiet spot to relax before your next flight. Even a few minutes of deep breathing or meditation can help you stay calm and centered, no matter how hectic things get. Sometimes, things don't go as planned. Flights get delayed, and weather can throw a wrench in your schedule. It's always wise to have a backup plan. Save your airline's customer service number and consider purchasing travel insurance for added peace of mind. If you're driving, research alternative routes or pit stops ahead of time. And for air travel, pack an overnight kit in your carry-on, just in case you end up needing an unplanned hotel stay. At the end of the day, holiday travel is about reconnecting with loved ones or experiencing the magic of the season in a new place. Keeping that in mind can help you stay grounded. Even if your journey doesn't go perfectly, try to embrace the unexpected moments, whether it's a surprise snowstorm or an unplanned adventure during a layover. These are the stories you'll look back on fondly. Traveling during the holidays can feel overwhelming, but with a bit of preparation, patience, and a positive mindset, you can make it a part of the holiday magic. Thanks for watching, and safe travels this holiday season.